Want to know how to export or see the record of your members that you had invited in Lovable? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Lovable AI application, and once you've done that, you should be provided with this interface right here. And on the top right side, you should be seeing your profile. Just select it. And once you've selected your profile, here you should be seeing various settings. Now, here you should be seeing settings as well, right below credits. Just simply select it. And here you should be seeing people. Just simply select people. And now once you've selected it, here under invite new members, you should be seeing members right here. And beside it, you should be seeing something known as export. So this just simply exports all workspace members as CSV. So it also shows credits and the usage months. So you can just simply select export right here, and then your file should start downloading as a CSV export. And that's it. Super simple and easy. So as you can see right here, the workspace members has been successfully exported. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.